This is a video to show young carers how to manage the slides on their site. So you need to be logged into your site and in the dashboard, and if you go down to where you can see Display Buddy, and you will go to Slideshow. Okay, this immediately shows you the slide groups that you already have. This is a dummy site, so I've created a second one here, but you in your own site actually only have one at the moment. So if you want to edit the existing group of slides, we click on Manage Images, and you can see all the images that are in that grouping at the moment. Now, if you wanted to simply change the order of the sites, you can reorder them over here by clicking and dragging down. Okay, like so. You can just change the positioning of them, and if that was all you wanted to do, you just then go click Save Order. Okay. You can also amend the settings which are giving the titles and the captions. Perhaps you decided you wanted to add something else. You would just add it in here. Okay. And once you've done it, you would just close it down. It's quite simple. Okay, you might want to actually delete one, so you would select it in the checkbox there, and then you would go remove. Okay, so you'd remove it from the group, but it would actually stay in the media library, so you could use it as another point if you wanted. Right, so I think that's quite self-explanatory. Okay, let's say you wanted to add an image. Okay, it might be an image that actually exists in the media library, in which case you could scroll through the various pages to find it, but it might also be a new one that you've got on your computer. So you would go to Upload Images to Media Library, select the files, and I don't know what this one is, but I'll select it anyway. Let's just have a look. Okay, click on Open, and you can see that it's loading up, and it can do it very quickly actually. Right, that's done it. Now you may think to yourself, where on earth has it gone? So it's actually gone into the media library. So if you go over to the media library, here is the image that I've done. Let's show it. Oh, nice image of my daughter and her partner and my granddaughter. You would then give it its proper title. I'll just put dummy image. And if you wanted it to have a caption, you would put it in here as well. I'm just going to put the same one in. Don't need to worry about anything else. Okay. Select this image, and it will have gone in. There we are. And added to the young carers. Alright, now I've decided I don't want it in, so I'll check it and remove it. So I think that's quite easy so far. Let's go back to slideshow so we can get an overview of what we've got here. And there's one thing that I want to point out, which is this thing called shortcode here. It's the shortcode that actually you would copy and then place into your web page where your slides are, and that enables the slides to be shown. Okay, we'll remember that in a moment. Say you wanted to create another grouping of slides, you would go add group. Oops. Actually, first of all, I have to put a name to that, so I will put Young Carers 3. Okay, and then I would go add group. So that then gets added over here, and then you would go manage images to upload all the images. So you can see you've got 3 different short codes here, and just to show you very clearly what we do, I'll copy that short code and then I will go into the site, which is very often the easiest way to actually get to your page. That's the easiest way to get to your page, and when you're in the page you can then edit. So there's one set of slides. Okay, now there is the shortcode which is actually enabling those slides to show. So if I then paste in again and update, and then I'll view page, now we'll have 2 lots of slides.